A travesty of justice, Nariman's outcry. On December 6, 2024, as India marked the anniversary of the Babri Masjid demolition, a stark reminder of the event's unresolved legacy emerged. Justice Rohinton Nariman, a former Supreme Court judge known for his unwavering stance on secularism and justice, publicly criticized the appointment of a fellow judge as Deputy Lok Ayukta. This judge, Surendra Kumar Yadav, had presided over the Babri Masjid demolition case and acquitted all 32 accused, a decision that sparked outrage and debate across the nation. Nariman's condemnation was sharp and direct. He called the appointment a travesty of justice and expressed deep concern over the state of the Indian judiciary. His words resonated with many who believe that the Babri Masjid demolition case represents a blatant failure to uphold the rule of law and protect India's secular ethos. The timing of Nariman's statement on the anniversary of the demolition amplified its significance. It served as a potent reminder of the event's enduring impact on Indian society and the unresolved questions surrounding accountability and justice. Nariman's critique has reignited the debate surrounding the Babri Masjid demolition case and its aftermath. It has also raised crucial questions about judicial appointments, the politicization of the judiciary, and the future of secularism in India. The Babri Masjid demolition, a wound on India's secular fabric. On December 6, 1992, a mob of Hindu nationalists stormed the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, reducing the 16th-century mosque to rubble. The demolition, carried out in broad daylight, sent shockwaves through India and beyond, marking a dark day for the nation's commitment to secularism and communal harmony. The event triggered widespread riots and violence, leaving deep scars on India's social fabric. The demolition of the Babri Masjid was not an isolated incident. It was the culmination of a long and contentious campaign by Hindu nationalist groups who claimed the mosque stood on the birthplace of Lord Ram. These groups argued that a temple to Ram had been destroyed to build the mosque, fueling religious tensions and demands for its demolition. The event had far-reaching consequences, deepening the communal divide in India and emboldening Hindu nationalist forces. It also raised serious questions about the state's ability to uphold the rule of law and protect its minority communities. The Babri Masjid demolition remains a highly sensitive issue in India, with the potential to reignite communal tensions. It serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of secularism and the need for constant vigilance against forces that seek to divide society along religious lines. A trial marred by delays and questionable outcomes. The trial for the Babri Masjid demolition case spanned over 2 decades, marked by numerous delays, political interference, and witness intimidation. The case involved prominent figures from the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, including L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, and Uma Bharti, who were accused of inciting the mob that demolished the mosque. Despite the gravity of the crime and the overwhelming evidence against the accused, the trial court acquitted all 32 defendants in September 2020. The verdict, delivered by Judge Surendra Kumar Yadav on his last day in office, was widely criticized for its lack of transparency and its failure to hold those responsible accountable. Critics of the verdict pointed to the court's dismissal of key evidence, including video footage and eyewitness accounts, as well as its failure to adequately address the issue of criminal conspiracy. The acquittal was seen as a major setback for justice and a blow to India's secular credentials. Justice Rohinton Nariman, who had played a crucial role in restarting the stalled trial, expressed his disappointment with the verdict, terming it a travesty of justice. He criticized the court's handling of the case and raised concerns about the lack of accountability for such a heinous crime. Section 4. The Lok Ayukta guardian of justice or political pawn. So, what does all of this mean for India's future? The implications are vast and complex, touching every aspect of governance and public trust. The role of the Lok Ayukta, whether as a true guardian of justice or a political pawn, will significantly shape the path forward. Only time will tell how this intricate balance will unfold.